building here, and they said it's okay to record, so we're going to record as we go in here to the first room. And all the radios here. I'm going to get over to the other group because they're talking about stuff.
Young generation, yeah, and also clubs. Support clubs.
Is this where the information is? As long as everyone's okay being on camera.
Yeah.
So who do we got here?
I think I photobombed you a couple times.
Alex, K6VHF from Arizona.
My birthplace.
I'm TJ, K9KJ.
He's got YouTube channel as well.
Yes,
Oh,
little
the
baby
big-time
one.
DXer.
Morse code.
The Grand DXer.
Yeah.
Very cool.
That's like the latest one.
So I think this is the parting gift they said that we're going to get.
I can't wait.
I believe. Are these the ones? Did he say? Are these the ones that are connected, or just display?
Yeah, it looks like it's local.
Oh, so it must be. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe just a demo.
I don't see mine.
There's nothing connected in the back.
Okay.
Doesn't look like it.
Guys, we're looking at all the modern
No,
stuff.
we're wondering if this was what was connected to the antenna.
Oh, you're looking at the. Oh, I remember.
All right.
that.
Here's Ray. We got Ray here too.
Look at that
Look
battery.
at this.
Ray insisted on coming.
It's a museum. I haven't seen that.
Yeah, so I'm probably doing something I'm not supposed to, but
Wow.
that's our first line of
see.
single sideband QRP radios right here.
202A.
So
This is the
First single sideband QRP.
I think so.
precursor to the 705, basically.
Way precursor. This was part of our discussions though when we were talking about the 705 was this series.
It's interesting that it's not really much. It's not like it's huge like you see older radios.
Did you guys talk about the 505 yet, Ray? Still got it.
Yep.
All right, we've got two more here. Folks, introduce yourselves.
Hello, I'm Mickey, AK5Q from Houston, Texas, and my wife Debbie, KD5EFM, also from Houston, Texas.
And you're the couple that was at the Germany, what's it called again?
Friedrichshafen.
Friedrichshafen.
Friedrichshafen, I can't remember that.
It's
Yes.
fried, rich, hopping.
Friedrichshafen. Well, good to have you.
Well, thank you
Yes.
for saying hello to us, and we're having a ball here with
Oh,
you
this
and
is
the others.
fabulous.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Very
you.
good. So we've got some of the older ones here. 756 Pro, 820, 7100.
I was prepared, but.
Look at the size of that one.
It's okay. It's really okay. Really, really honest.
I got a 781. I know 7800, that's what I have. This is
They do collect them, but if I remember correctly,
I've never seen it in my life.
it was two
And we've
receiver
got the
and solid
HTs up
state.
here.
So in 6 to 7,
T8SS, I wonder if that means SSB or something on this little handheld.
Yes,
You think maybe SS? You guys know anything about that?
No.
If that was SSB maybe?
Good question.
So that's a question.
But I did.
So this
730.
T8SS, was that SSB?
SS.
Or no?
I think you had one
You have an
at.
idea about the TSA?
Do you know if that was SSB or not?
No, it was not.
No,
It was
okay.
FM.
All right, just wondering if the SS
So
was
this
something.
is a ICW31, actually.
Well, I see
Wow, that feels good.
20A, 750.
See, we had it as a T8A,
Mhm.
which was a US version.
No,
Yeah.
no, actually it had a
These are in the
slider.
wrong spot.
It had a slider right here for I.
Who played with the radios? Someone had them in the wrong spot. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Look at this beauty.
Yeah,
so it was called the 7.
2K amplifier.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the first amplifier they released in
What does
1967.
it say?
Just 1 year.
Oh yeah, that's the
after
year I was. That's the year I was born. This linear amplifier was their first one. It
Yeah.
came out when I was born.
I was born on that part of it. So, look at the first 1966 first produced radio.
1966, 50 megahertz.
Yep. Inside joke. 6 meter, 2 meters, 6 meters, 6 meters. So they really were in the 6 meter band.
6 meter was the big thing.
Right, until later that year, the first HF.
And that's 1966.
Yeah, same here.
Okay,
So now was the first,
So both of these are satellite.
there you go.
the most sold radio.
This is the most sold radio. He knows. Alex knows his stuff here.
That's the receiver and the transmitter.
So So is it separate or? Oh, it is separate. Yeah,
it's
so it's separated.
You know, it's like a
The heat kit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Right.
that one is the same size.
And then let's go to his birth generation.
Yeah, that's already my 78 here. Yeah.
These are still cool looking. I still like the ones with the analog meter. I love that kind of stuff like
Yeah,
that.
those are like the communication receivers.
Okay.
One is 2 meter band. Yeah, they really
This
were
2 meter?
2 meters. Yeah, so it's all.
Oh, I
2
see.
meters.
Yeah.
There's not really chat.
All right.
None of this actually HL.
What is this here?
That's
Phase
the,
lock digital VFO.
So because all this radio required external VFO.
Okay, and then you just manipulate it all right there.
Yeah, you can tap
Interesting.
your frequency supply to any of those radios.
Wow.
I remember this one. I had one.
Really?
Of those, yes.
That seems. It seems like it looks like it's older than it.
Well, remember,
70s.
this was the first seed SSB on 2 meter band in
okay.
1978.
Oh.
It wasn't existent anywhere in the world.
Really?
They produced the first 2 meter SSB and CW radio.
Man, he knows his stuff. Look at those cool radios. This is the one I think Ray brought
Because
over, right?
everything else, if you look here, is either AM or FM.
Oh.
This was the first produced 2 meter SSB radio.
First 2 meter SSB, the one Ray showed us there earlier.
Yep. It's one of the historical ones.
Man, those are cool. And then the more modern stuff out here again.
And there we go. System, so a server is built into this. You can make your regular calls on a subserver, or the mic push to talk to go to a two-way radio.
Oh, my goodness, that's great.
You'll see we use a lot of these here.
Let's go over here.
Pretty cool.
Ray's talking stuff. Ray's talking shop over here. I don't know. This one looks weird. Is it functional? Like, how does it work?
Oh, gosh.
This is newest Japanese technology.
Yes.
You can't even tell. Wow.
And then Telelink is this
Multi-model.
Yes.
Okay.
And actually, you know, we sell SIP server in Japan, and it's going to be connected with the external telephone line. So we call Telelink, including the external line, telephone line. Yeah.
And then this was the whole kit for the soldier intercom system for deployed army.
And what was the year when they deployed first time?
I think here.
Desert Storm?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Desert Storm.
Well, they got Shoei. This was signed Shoei, third year of Shoei, but I don't know what that is in U.S. years.
This was though different.
Oh, okay. I just noticed the date on that was.
Yeah, this was like an international meeting
Okay.
here.
So they were the first foreign country to be awarded a radio contract with
I'm surprised.
U.S. Army and then U.S. Marines.
the Marines and the Army.
Yeah. I clearly didn't know about that.
Yeah, this is the factory. You guys are going to right here.
Arida?
Wakayama.
Say Arida factory.
They're on two different tectonic plates. We have two factories down that line. In case one gets destroyed, the other one will be able to survive. Using this van and
All right, we finished at the headquarters here, and in our drive to the Icom factory, we got to go in style, ID 52 style.
Yeah, we'll do it. All right.
There you go.
You guys have fun, man.
Thanks, Ray, for everything.
This made my trip.